Welcome to the Crystal Retail Suite. In this guide, we'll walk you through the correct way to upload your profile photo. A clear and professional image helps personalize the experience and maintain consistency across our platform. Let's start with photo composition. Avoid photos that are too dark or where staff is looking away from the camera. A good photo has proper lighting and the person is facing the camera directly. Cropping. Do not include your full upper body. It makes the face harder to recognize. Crop the photo around your face with a clean background. Background and setting. Avoid photos taken in messy workspaces or that show too much of your body. Use a simple, uncluttered background. Make sure your face is framed nicely. Attire and expression. Avoid casual clothing or photos where your eyes are hidden by sunglasses. Dress professionally and look into the camera with a pleasant expression. Please follow these simple guidelines to ensure our team directory remains clean and professional, whether in the appointment calendar or the staff master. Remember, your image speaks before we do. Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned for more informative videos on Crystal Retail Suite, a software for your business.